All right, so you want to start with a nice clean canvas. You don't want to have a lot of stuff on it because you need to go edge to edge when you're rolling. And your goal is coils about the width of a finger, somewhere around there. It can be a little thinner, a little thicker, but that tends to work well. And you're going to start with, I'm going to go through and make one coil and tell you all the things, and then you're going to tell me what to do for my second coil. This is probably a little more clay than I start with, like a handful, a blob of clay, like this big. And you're gonna squeeze it out like a rag so that it's no more than an inch thick, because the canvas absorbs moisture from your clay, and that's great because then it doesn't stick, but it also means that it will dry it out if you start too thick. So I take about an inch thick, squeeze it out to that, and then I start rolling with the palms of my hands. I wanna go here because this is gonna give me little bumps. So I wanna use the palms of my hands, and I want the clay to roll all the way over and all the way back. We tend to go right here, but we gotta go all the way over. So as you're going, think to yourself, big motion. I need a big motion. I'm gonna go edge to edge as you're rolling your canvas. You can get into it. You can do all these things, or you can just kind of go like this. That's up to you, your choice. And notice, so I'm using my palms. I like to start in the middle, and then I kind of roll out, because that stretches it. You can also do things like make a W. You can dance, as I said, see, that's good. And you can kind of go from one end to the other. Every now and then I stop and I go, it's a little thicker here and here. So I'm just gonna do a little more here. It tends to get thin in these two spots because our arms come out right here. So if I go here and move along this way, that's what I want. And listen, do you hear it? It's almost like a cat purring. When your clay purrs, it's happy. That's what it's looking for. If you go too short, and I did this, I rolled too long. If you go like here, do you hear it kind of gets more thunky? Like that. If it's getting like tonk, 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 it's going ow, 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 ow. That's really what the clay is saying. And you want it to purr. And to make it purr, it's gotta go all the way over and all the way back. So the 4 things, squeeze it out like a rag, no more than an inch thick. And then you want it to be about the width of your finger. Next thing, roll with the palms of your hands. Move your hands along the clay so you don't get thin spots. And then the biggest thing that everyone seems to forget, big motion. So it rolls all the way over and all the way back, okay?